Welcome to day 3 of the resto-mod of this 1995 Volvo T-5R sedan. We'll be getting a few things done today. If you haven't started to watch it from the beginning, you can catch the first 2 episodes by clicking on the playlist button and playing those videos in order. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you have a great day. We are back at it, folks. Let's get cracking. Time to get to work. Sad enough, I'm actually hungry because I ate a light breakfast. I ate a bowl of cereal. But anyway, we're going to start out by pulling this rear main seal out. I think I got the tool with me to put that in. Then we're going to pull this turbo and exhaust manifold. Time to get back to work. I shipped out a couple of parts, cleaned up a couple of parts, had a lunch break, bathroom break. Let's get with it. Okay, boys and girls, this is the difference between what you have and what you want. What you have, if you have a 94 or 95 850 turbo, and what you want. This what comes on the 2000 and newer T5 cars. Angle flange, hole big enough to tee up your softball. This is a hole big enough to hold on to your handball. Big difference. Getting that heat and exhaust gases away from your turbo. The quicker and the further way you can get that heat coming right off your turbo, away from the back of your turbo, slowing down your turbines, the better. A good, healthy looking wheel. That one looks like it's been a little hot. Probably because it's bottling up on the back of it. This one's like perfect. That's what you want to see in your exhaust. So we got 2 hurdles with this. One, we got a bolt broke off in the exhaust turbo flange. 2, it's got that bolt. We need the proper pipe for mounting this, or our pipe's going to hit the transmission bracket. We're going to move forward with a couple things and deal with this a little later. Next up, we got our sealant for our threads. We're going to mount that flywheel. This car has about 120,000. Apparently has the original water pump on there. You see it's got 3 teeth and missing a cog. All the way around except for here, it's got 2 cogs. So it's got 2 missing 1, 3 missing 1, 3 missing 1, 3 missing 1, 3 missing 1, and then 2. Signs of an original water pump. It does say Volvo on it, T3-8. It's only got 120,000, so it's not a lot of miles, but age-wise, you really don't want to be running a pump this old. So I set the timing. You can see that mark there. Barely see that mark there. Let me get a wire brush to clean that mark up. Yeah, I guess that's that mark. Then we'll see the mark down there. I'm gonna pull this off real quick so we can see that crank mark, which is the most important mark. And there it is, folks. The mark for the crank. A little teeny weeny notch there. This original idler is tight. These things used to go 200,000 miles. This tensioner is also tight. Makes a little bit of noise. It's probably good for another belt cycle though, because it's tight. So we're gonna run that. Got this all cleaned up. Ready to put on the green gasket. Only green gaskets. Only green gaskets. And then the water pump. Man, that thing is not under the cover. So let me tuck that under the cover. Get that right, then put the pump on. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.